Luna is a pet like no other. Equipped with a high-definition RGB camera, Luna can see and understand your world. It recognizes faces, interprets your gestures, and even plays fetch. Luna mimics the experience of having a real pet, but with a technological twist. Thanks to its 3D time-of-flight (TOF) camera, Luna smoothly navigates your home, effortlessly avoiding obstacles. With its advanced trajectory planning, Luna moves freely while ensuring your space remains safe. Luna is not just a good listener. It's also a fantastic conversationalist. Powered by Amazon Lex and ChatGPT, Luna recognizes your voice commands and responds in real time. Plus, your information remains secure, allowing you to chat with peace of mind. Always ready for playtime, Luna loves to chase laser pointers, fetch balls, and interact with various objects in your home. Luna's app offers a variety of games and quizzes for entertainment. Additionally, Luna serves as a home monitor with its camera and speaker. You can keep an eye on your home when you're away to make sure everything is in order. This magnetic power bank easily fits in your pockets or bags without obstructing your camera, ensuring perfect alignment and efficient charging while allowing you to use your hands freely. The Makiki Portable MagSafe wireless charger includes 12 built-in cryogenic IC ice cores and features multiple safety protections, such as overvoltage protection, overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection. This multi-protect safety system ensures your devices are safeguarded from potential hazards, providing you with a worry-free charging experience. Included in the package are a 5,000 mAh MagSafe battery pack, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. We also offer a worry-free 24-month warranty and considerate, timely after-sales service. Reko F11 Mini drone weighs under 250 g. Its brushless motor ensures stable hovering both indoors and outdoors, with a flight range of up to 393 feet and a takeoff altitude of 6,561 feet. Capture stunning 4096x3072p photos and smooth 2.7K per 25 frames per second videos. Enjoy real-time 2K video transmission up to 1,640 feet away. Capture the perfect shot with a 120 degrees wide-angle field of view and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Experience up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent flight batteries. The long battery life is ideal for professional photographers or hobbyists. GPS features such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest can greatly enhance the flying experience. If the drone's battery is low, the signal is weak, or you press the one-tap return button, the drone will automatically return home. The drone is beginner-friendly and comes with a camera cover to protect it from damage. It also features one-tap takeoff and landing, as well as emergency landing functions, paired with a responsive two-way rechargeable controller for smooth flying. The PlayStation 5 Slim console provides next-generation gaming in a sleek, compact design that fits seamlessly into any entertainment setup. Despite its smaller size, it delivers the same incredible performance as the original PS5, featuring an ultra-high-speed SSD for lightning-fast load times and smooth gameplay. With ray tracing technology and support for true 4K resolution, you'll enjoy stunning visuals, realistic lighting, and immersive environments. Plus, the PS5 Slim is backward compatible, allowing you to enjoy a vast library of PS4 games with improved graphics and performance. Whether upgrading or diving into PlayStation for the first time, the PS5 Slim offers the perfect combination of power, innovation, and style. The DualSense wireless controller enhances your gaming experience with adaptive triggers and haptic feedback, making every action feel more lifelike. The design of this game console is completely new. Built-in 100 new exciting educational puzzle casual games. While kids are having fun, they are also developing important skills, such as hand-eye coordination and problem-solving abilities. 3.0-inch high-definition display ensures portability and game comfort. Built-in a rechargeable lithium battery, providing a steady stream of energy for your child's happiness. The device also removes the need for parents to frequently buy and replace batteries. The casing is made of high-strength plastic, featuring a frosted surface that is anti-fingerprint and anti-scratch. It has been rigorously tested to ensure it can withstand the rough handling by children. This game console features a completely fresh design and comes preloaded with 100 exciting educational puzzle games. We guarantee that if it breaks accidentally within a month of purchase, you can email us, and we will replace it for free. The Solar Generator 1000V2 features a 1,500W AC output and a 3,000W surge peak, capable of powering multiple appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, and electric pots. With a 1070W capacity and a lightweight build of only 23.8 pounds, along with a foldable handle, it makes an excellent companion for outdoor camping, road trips, or emergencies. Charge your Explorer 1000 V2 portable power station from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour by activating emergency charging through the Jackery app. Featuring advanced Charge Shield 2.0 technology, this power station charges more safely, quickly, and intelligently. The Explorer 1000 V2 portable power station is equipped with a durable LFP battery, which maintains over 70% of its original capacity even after 4,000 charge cycles and offers longevity exceeding 10 years. Featuring 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, 1 DC car port, and 3 pure sine wave AC ports, along with LED lights, the Solar Generator 1000 V2 is capable. The ability to charge multiple devices at the same time. Improve the ability to customize the power station according to your specific needs. This compact toaster can fit comfortably on your countertops while toasting bagels, toast, and has a preheat, defrost, and cancel option. This toaster has 2 1.5-inch wide slots to accommodate various bread sizes. The 7-setting shade dial lets you control the toasting level, and the slide-out crumb tray simplifies cleanup. Whether you're toasting thick bagels, toaster pastries, or thinly sliced bread for a healthy crouton alternative, the wide slots and high-lift carriage ensure effortless toasting every time. This product is also BPA-free. The stainless steel air fryer oven features a dual-zone design, enabling it to function as a spacious single-chamber or 2 separate zones, each with independent temperature controls. This means you can cook main dishes and side dishes simultaneously without any flavor crossover. You can also use a single zone for smaller portions, perfect for quick meals. This versatile toaster oven combines several kitchen appliances, acting as an oven, rotisserie, toaster, and dehydrator, representing the true essence of an air fryer toaster oven combo. Our 24-quart dual-zone air fryer oven is ideal for family meals or hosting gatherings, accommodating a 5-pound chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or 4 pounds of fries or wings. It cooks up to 60% faster. The stainless steel interior is safe, durable, and easy to clean, and it comes with dishwasher-safe accessories. This air fryer heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without the need for preheating and utilizes 360 degrees circulation along with an 1800W dual fan system for even cooking without burning or undercooking. Its rotisserie function easily cooks whole chickens and kebabs, achieving crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. It reduces cooking time by up to 50% and oil use by 85%, delivering faster and healthier meals. The user-friendly LED touchscreen enhances cooking enjoyment and convenience. It provides peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support.